Good morning children, Sai Ram. Today we are going to start with EVS 2 and we are going to start with a new chapter. So I am going to ask you few questions as usual. So I know you all know the answers very well. So your first question in front of you is, how many forts were in the hands of the Mughals? Yes, there were 23 forts in the hands of the Mughals. Sorry. Your next question, which year Shivaji reached to the safety of his kingdom? Yes, in which year? Yes, in 1666, Shivaji gave a slip to the emperor and returned to the safety of his kingdom. What were Shivaji and his mother Jijabai thinking? At that time, what they were thinking? Yes, Shivaji and his mother Jijabai were thinking of recapturing the Kondana fort. That Kondana fort was in the hands of Mughals. Your fourth question, who enabled Shivaji to recapture the fort? Means who helped Shivaji to recapture the fort? So the answer is yes, Tanaji Malusare enabled Shivaji to recapture the fort. So today children, we are going to learn how Tanaji Malusare fought bravely to enable Shivaji to recapture the strong Kondana fort from the Mughals. In chapter number 14, the fort is captured but the lion is dead. Now children, this is part 1 and we are going to start this part with new words. So your first word is assigned. A-S-S-I-G-N-E-D. Assigned means to allocate. Passion. P-A-S-S-I-O-N. Passion means a state or outburst of strong emotion. Devoted. D-E-V-O-T-E-D. Devoted means dedicated. Preparation. P-R-E-P-A-R-A-T-I-O-N. Preparation means arrangement. Invitation. I-N-V-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. Invitation means a written or verbal request. Appointed. A-P-P-O-I-N-T-E-D. Appointed means allotted or designated. Discipline. D-I-S-C-I-P-L-I-N-E. Discipline means regulation. Vigilant. V-I-G-I-L-A-N-T. Vigilant means alert. Assault. A-S-S-A-U-L-T. Assault means campaign. Now children, this is our content outline what we are going to study in this part. Jijamata's wish, Tanaji Malusare, Kondana's marriage first and Tanaji's plan. Now children, we know in the previous lesson Shivaji signed a treaty of peace and according to the treaty 23 forts were handed over along with a territory with the revenue of 4 lakh hones to the Mughal emperor. Now Kondana fort was one among 23 forts and it was a very strong fort. Now Shivaji and Jijamata were worried about this. So let's see what she wishes for Kondana from Shivaji. Jijamata's wish. Now Jijamata was worried because strong Kondana fort was in the hands of the Mughals. She was very upset. She thought that it was not safe to keep such a strong fort in the hands of the Mughals. And so she advised Shivaji to recapture it. Now Shivaji was also thinking same. He was also making plans to recapture Kondana. He started thinking that what shall we do? Who could be interested with this task? Whom to give this task? And this as it was a very difficult task. Now Tanaji Malusare. Now Tanaji Malusare was Shivaji's comrade right from the beginning. Now comrade means a fellow soldier or a member of the army of Shivaji. Now he came from the village called Umrate near Mahad in the Konkan. Now Tanaji was strong and well built. He was as clever as he was brave. Now he used to put his heart and soul in any work given to him by Shivaji. He was passionately devoted to Shivaji, means he could do anything for Shivaji. Kondana's marriage first. Now, what does that mean, Kondana's marriage first? And how can Kondana get married? It is a name of a fort. Now, let's see how. Now, Tanaji was busy making preparations for his son Raiba's wedding. And one fine day, he thought that I should personally go to give invitation to Shivaji and Ma Sahib. Now, who is Ma Sahib over here? Yes, Shivaji's mother, Jijabai. The marriage was only 4 days away, and Tanaji went personally to invite both of them. He was accompanied with Shelar Mama. Now, accompanied means, yes, Shelar Mama was giving company to Tanaji. Now, as when they went there, when Shivaji received the invitation, Shivaji said to Shelar Mama, "You go back and celebrate the wedding. I am sorry, I shall be unable to attend the wedding as I have decided to lead a campaign for the recapture of Kondana." Now, when Tanaji was very upset on hearing this, he said, "How can you do this? Why should you go there when I am alive? I am going to go there to perform the marriage of Kondana by recapturing it, and Raiba's wedding can wait." And this way he decided that he is going to lead the campaign to recapture Kondana and then come back for his son Raiba's wedding. Tanaji's plan. Plan for what? Yes, to recapture Kondana. Now, when these words of Tanaji, now listening this, everybody was happy when Tanaji told that I am going to lead the campaign and I am going to go for this campaign. The fort of Kondana was under the control of Uday Bhan. Now, which fort? Yes, Kondana. Now, Uday Bhan was a Rajput officer appointed by Jai Singh. Now, Uday Bhan was a disciplined and vigilant person. He was very alert. He was very careful what is happening around the fort. And Kondana fort had 2 entrances, means 2 gates, and both were heavily guarded. Now, a lot of soldiers were there outside guarding the fort. Now, Tanaji inspected the fort in detail, and he saw that on the western side there is a steep precipice and there were no guards over there. Now, because it was difficult for the enemy to climb on such a steep rock and enter in the fort, so Tanaji decided to enter in the fort from this side. So he explained all this plan to his younger brother Suryaji, and he told Suryaji that you take 500 men and reach Kalyan Gate, and with another 300 I will climb this steep rock from the western side and will get inside the fort, and as soon as we are there we will open the doors and of the Kalyan Gate, and then you step in and join us together. We will destroy the enemy. So, and this was all the plan. So Suryaji said, okay, we will follow this same plan, and they both went in different ways. Now children, we will learn the same thing in detail. Jijamata's wish. Now, as you all know, 23 forts which Shivaji handed over to Jai Singh were still in the hands of the Mughals. Now, Kondana was one of these 23 forts. It was a very strong fort. So, one day Jijamata said to Shivaji, "Shivba, it is not safe to leave the strong Kondana in the enemy hand. You must recapture it." Now Kondana was in the enemy hand. So what Jijamata told to Shivaji? You must recapture it because it is a very strong fort. Now Shivaji was thinking on the same lines. He was thinking the same. So he was very unhappy that Kondana was in the hands of Mughals. But Shivaji and Jijabai Sahib, means Shivaji's mother, were very unhappy about the same, and it was like a thorn in their side. Now Shivaji started making his plans for the recapture of Kondana. Now who could be interested with this task, he was thinking, because it is a very difficult task to recapture Kondana. Tanaji Malusare. Now Tanaji was Shivaji's comrade right from the beginning. He came from the village Umrate near Mahad in the Konkan. Now he was ever ready to put his heart and soul into any work assigned or allotted to him by Shivaji. Now Tanaji was strong and well built, and he was as clever as he was brave. He was passionately devoted to Shivaji. Kondana's marriage first. Now Tanaji was busy making preparations for his son Raiba's wedding. Everyone in the house was busy with the marriage preparations. Now marriage, why everybody was busy? Because the marriage was only 4 days away. Now here you can see Tanaji Malusare's son Raiba. Now Tanaji thought that he would go personally and invite Shivaji Maharaj and Ma Sahib to the wedding. So Shelar Mama accompanied Tanaji Malusare. In the right hand side you can see Tanaji Malusare, and left hand side Shelar Mama. So Tanaji Malusare was accompanied with Shelar Mama. Accompanied by Shelar Mama, he went to Shivaji to give him personal invitation to Shivaji and Ma Sahib. And when Shivaji Maharaj received the invitation, means on receiving the invitation from Shelar Mama, Shivaji said to Shelar Mama, you go back and celebrate the wedding. I am sorry, I shall be unable to attend. I have decided to attain a campaign for the recapture of Kondana. Now as soon as Tanaji heard this, he said, Maharaj, do you propose to undertake this difficult and dangerous campaign while Tanaji is still alive? Then what is the use of persons like me? This will not do. I shall first perform the marriage of Kondana by capturing it. Raiba's wedding can wait. You must allow me to lead this campaign and give me your blessings for its success. So with these words, Tanaji took Shivaji's blessings. Tanaji's plan. Now with these words, Tanaji took charge of the campaign and left for Kondana. Now the fort was then under the control of Udaybhan. Now who was Udaybhan? A Rajput officer appointed by Jai Singh to take care after Kondana. Now Udaybhan was a disciplined and vigilant officer. Now there were two entrances to the fort. Both were heavily guarded by Udaybhan's men. Now now Tanaji quietly made a detailed inspection of the fort. Now on the western side there was a steep precipice where there were no guards, means it was a large rock, means it was a steep rock. Now Tanaji decided to attack from this side. Now why he decided to attack from this side? Because there were no guards over there. He explained his plan to his younger brother. He said, you take 500 troops and try to reach Kalyan Gate. Now with another 300, I shall scale this large rock and get inside the fort. As soon as we are therein, we shall open the doors of the Kalyan Gate, and then you step in and join us. Together we shall destroy the Mughal troops defending the fort. Now with the plan just finalized, Suryaji. Now who was Suryaji? Yes, Tanaji's brother. Suryaji and Tanaji went there in their different ways. Now children, we will start with our assessment. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. Tanaji was busy making preparations for dash. Raiba's wedding, Suryaji's wedding or Shivaji's wedding? Yes, and the correct answer is Raiba's wedding. Tanaji came from the village dash. Ratnagiri, Jalgaon, Umrate. Correct answer, Umrate. Dash was Shivaji's comrade right from the beginning. Suryaji, Tanaji, Diler Khan. Correct answer, Tanaji. Name the following. Tanaji was the resident of this place. Mahad, Chiplun, Umrate. Correct answer, Umrate. Who gave personal invitation to Shivaji Maharaj? Tanaji and Suryaji, Tanaji and Shelar Mama, Tanaji and Raiba. Correct answer, Tanaji and Shelar Mama. Who said to whom? It is not safe to leave the strong Kondana fort in the enemy's hands. You must recapture it. Jijamata said to Shivaji or Shivaji said to Jijamata? Correct answer, Jijamata said to Shivaji. I have decided to lead a campaign for the recapture of Kondana. Shivaji said to Shelar Mama or Shivaji said to Tanaji? Correct answer, Shivaji said to Shelar Mama. Raiba's wedding can wait. Shivaji Maharaj said to Tanaji, Tanaji said to Shivaji Maharaj. Correct answer, Tanaji said to Shivaji Maharaj. Thank you.